The questions raised into three separate files. Each file has a corresponding dataset. The final findings are and the dashboard with some data sheets. My first question is how the ratings of the movies change with other factors such as duration. The first sheet is to find the data corresponding to the problem in the dataset and make operations for analyzing. In the column G, uh, I added a new formula to distinguish specified times and the seasons. Time will be time and the seasons will be season. And in the column H, a new formula is added to get the specified time length. If the time type is seasons, that will get 0. And in the column F, a new formula is added to assign different types of duration values to corresponding categories. There are 3 types in total called seasons above 100 minutes and below 100 minutes respectively. And the next 5 sheets are analytics year by year, private tables, and a chart was shown. Let's turn to the dashboard with option buttons to control the duration type to summarize work with different ratings of each year. Sparkline can show the trend of changes for selected years. A pie chart to show the approximate proportions of the year's movies or TV shows components. So every single chart, there's a line chart as well. Every single chart can display the data user wants to search by the filter options beside the chart. So let's get 2018. It will change the shape of the pie chart. I got some information findings. If check the reasons, there are no such ratings about this PG, PG-13, and R. And for other types, I think the values increase or decrease within a reasonable range. Let's go to the question 2. The first stage is also to find the data corresponding to the problem and make operations for analyzing. In the column E, a new formula is added to get the first keyword in the list form. So list form contains 3 types and we got the first keyword for this list. Next 5 years are also the analyzing results for each year, and the slicers are here for selecting data. Let's turn to the dashboard. Option buttons to control the duration type. Option buttons to control the region to summarize the work with different listing types of each year, and a sparkline here to show the trend of the changes for the select years. A line chart and a bar chart with selected options are displayed to show the specific changes of a single type. And here is the orange children and family movies. Here are the action and adventure. Each Single chart can display the data user wants to search by the filter options beside the chart. So change the this. Sorry. Will change the shape of the chart. And the pie chart is also here to show the information of the components of a year's movie or TV shows. So I also get some interesting findings. So UK's work focused on the British TV shows and the documentaries. And in the region US, the works are focused on the comedies, documentaries, and dramas, maybe. But they are decreasing in some ways. Turn to the question 3. So, question 3 is about analyzing whether directors who have many works may have similarities in performance. After selecting data, we turn to the dashboard directly. 3 pie weight tables with different continents. This is the number of a director. This is the listening types, and this is the time. And column chart is to show the situations of different durations. A pie chart here will display actual classification of the director and his filmography. The last component is a slicer to see what are the information from different directors like. This is a combined table. All data will change due to the changes of one or some values. So director add someone, it will change all. So also, I also get some interesting findings if focused one director. So you will see most directors are focused on one direction, like stand-up comedy, and that they will make expansion directions or combination with other types. So that's all about my continuous assessment work.